W with MRMIKE.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mike here, and today we are going to draw a penguin. Now to draw this penguin, we only need two basic lines and shapes. An oval and an arc. That's all we need to draw this. Well, let's see how it all fits together. So let's start with an arc at the top, just like that. And that'll be the top of the head. And then we're gonna have another arc all the way down here, just like that. And now we're gonna have another arc right here. That doesn't look anything like a penguin to me. Let's keep drawing. So now we're gonna have another arc that comes along this way. Look at that, that was a big arc. That goes all the way to the bottom. Okay, now we're going to make another arc come back this way. It's almost like one big arc here. Just like that. Now, if we're going to have another arc at the bottom here, and this is, like I said, this is mostly arcs. So we're going to have an arc for the bottom of the thing here, and it's going to go back up to the tail there. And now we're going to have the arcs here, and then an arc here, and then an arc here, and an arc here. And let's see, I think we want this arc to go this way. So have an arc that comes out here to a point, and then we can continue this one just like this. Now, if you at any point need to pause this video to catch up, then please feel free to pause it and then catch up and then join back with us, okay? Now we're going to add in those ovals I told you about. Remember I mentioned the ovals? Well, we only need two of them. That's the eyes. One here, and then another here. And you can color those in, just like that. Now, we're going to add in an arc here, and then another arc here, and then another arc right here. And then we'll add in a little smile. So another arc. Arc is very useful. We're practically doing this whole drawing with arcs. Now, we are going to add in another arc here, and then an arc, and then an arc, and then an arc. That's 1 foot. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to do an arc, and then another arc, and then another arc, and then another arc. And there's 2 feet. And that looks like our basic penguin right there. Well, let's add in an arc, and then another arc for the ground. And maybe it's standing on a snowy hill. Okay, so now I'm going to trace this with a thick black outline. And I know at the beginning the drawing that we saw had this area and this area all colored in. But I'm not going to do that with the marker. I'm going to hold off and I'm going to color that in later. And you'll see it at the end of the video what my color choices were. And there's a reason why I don't want to use the marker, because my marker is drying out. And also I want to use some gray and maybe some black. So I'm just going to continue drawing my outline here. Just to finish this off, I'm just outlining the outside of the drawing all the way around. You can do this too if you want. You don't have to. Just finishing off my drawing. Okay. Look at our adorable little penguin, everybody. That wasn't so hard for us to draw at all. What color choices are you going to make to color in your penguin? Now remember, watch till the very end to see what my color choices are, and you can do the same thing if you want, but you can also do whatever your imagination allows. Okay, you can make it whatever color you want. This is your drawing. If you enjoy drawing with me today, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time, okay? Bye!
Let's draw with Mr. Mike.
this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.